ETR was the first company to bring VRF to East Texas. We had a church that had an in-slab duct system that had flooded, and we had zero room for ductwork, and VRF was an option that was given to us, and so we went for it. And now we are the largest VRF contractor in East Texas with around 2,000 tons out in the field and up and running. ETR is the only contractor in East Texas that has in-house mechanical engineering, and we have 2 full-time mechanical engineers, and that leads us into the design build space. Cadillac is a futuristic brand. The owner came to us through the general contractor who we have a relationship with and said that we want to look at a system that's going to carry us through for years with efficiency and zoning, and VRF was a natural fit.
Cadillac is an iconic vehicle for the United States, leading in American luxury innovation. It's very important to have the quality in the showroom floor, whether it be the temperature, the look, the feel. We want the best quality for the customers. When we're looking at new facilities and everything, you want to talk about efficiency, because we're going to be in this building for a long, long time. And so we want to make sure that we want to have the most efficient system that there possibly is. Our shop is AC too. Last Saturday we had our luncheon back there, and I actually walked into the shop and got cold walking into the shop, which has never happened to me in my 30 years. So I was laughing with the technicians and saying, you guys are going to start wearing sweaters in here working on cars. Come August, that's going to be huge for those guys, and we'll be able to hire the best quality technicians as well, just because the work environment and the work atmosphere is going to be great.
We have different people that want different temperatures in each room, and there's controllers in each room. Even in our waiting room, customers can control that one if they'd like.
You can see the best work of ETR when you go and see the installation that we have done. You will see the robust practices that we take pride on and the experience that we bring to the field when you see the installation of the refrigerant piping, the installation of the air devices, the installation of the indoor units, how they are supported by the structure, how we use the vibration isolators on the air handlers just to reduce the vibration and the sound decibels of the system. This will all highlight what we have gone through as a company to come here and present ourselves as the best VRF company in East Texas.
We want to be the company that leads in technology, craftsmanship, and the pinnacle of what an HVAC company can be.